Hi, today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on Samsung Galaxy S20 FE 5G. Start by opening settings. Then scroll down and choose biometrics and security. Click face recognition and enter your current login method. Then read the instructions and click continue. Do you wear glasses? I don't, so I will go with no and tap continue. Remember to keep your face in frame. Then click done. If you wanna check out if it works, turn off your screen and turn it back on. Then swipe to open. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!